guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm Ricky, guys. And guys, it's magkwenta guys. Mag-unboxing sa nabot na parcel.
Ready, set,
Naman ko direct na hipos. Dati
we
ba?
made a beautiful sandcake.
Usay diri magkumagigda guys. Kaya may happy day. Look at this guys. Tapos magpo online lang.
Yan, makapitag charger yan.
Two,
Ano na charger?
Charger sa laptop. Ito mang color.
candles on our sand
Ano
cake.
oh?
Would you like to try the sand cake
Wala.
or pretend? Okay, I'll use this pretend knife and I'll cut the sand cake.
Ano ka to? Ngayon naman kung ikuan gabi.
Ready,
Sana
set,
po ko'y
cutting a piece of
bagpapos
sand
guys.
cake for you.
I knew it.
Here you go. That's for you. Oh, it's kind of falling
I don't
apart.
know.
That's okay. Here's another piece of sand cake.
Let's go open it. Sa itong gamitog open guys. Kuman nito kaya
For you. Oh, wow. This box is yellow and the pretend ribbon
Carrot.
is orange.
Wala.
Ano din?
Luwis ako ang charger sa laptop.
Did you hear that cracking? If the box is cracking, what do you think is inside?
Master Life.
Yeah, me too. Let's see.
Zamboanga Hipos.
Oh, you were right.
Let's
It's
go
a
na.
cute little duck.
Ay, sabi sila ko guys.
Hey, let's see inside.
Oh my God! Wa ko kabalo na pindot. Dito na ako ang sublay na lang. Dito ang sublay. Dito guys, no? Ako.
Mother duck said,
Palindot mo po siya color guys.
only four little ducks came back. One, two,
Lindot siya color. Tapos
four
kinti.
little ducks ran out one.
Dari na siya sa Nyara guys.
Mother duck said, only three little ducks came back. One,
This
two,
order po na ikuan guys.
three.
Notes siya. Akong pangalan Dakia Faith. O, di ba? O, nakita ko na yung notes. Ito pangalan siya. Pero,